So I rounded this out when I wanted to replace the wheel cylinder because I think it was over tightened last time. So now I'm not able to get this off. So now I'm just gonna replace the section piece brake line here. I have some spare brake lines that I made in the past and see if those work. If not, I'm just going to make my own then. I'll probably make a future video on how to make brake lines, but for now, because I'm kind of in a hurry now, so I just want to get this done. So, because I want to see in what type of flare it is. I think it's a double flare. So I'm gonna loosen this up. I already topped up the brake fluid already. Using a 10 mil to remove the nut for the brake line. This is out now. So here it's rounded out. So we are just going to cut the line off. We're just going to loosen the mounting bolt. We're just going to cut the line off here. And remove the wheel cylinder. It's all stripped or rounded out. So now we're just gonna do this by hand to see if we can shape it up. This is a double flare. So we're gonna see if I can shape this up. I'll use this one instead. Just trying to shape it up by hand to see on how it looks. trying to shape the brake line to the best I can. So we're going to install a new wheel cylinder. So now I'm ready to install the brake line. I'm just going to install the bolt. Clean the threads here. You need to wiggle the line, the wheel cylinder, back and forth. Tighten up the line. So tighten up the line. Tighten up the mounting bolt. I didn't have the tool on me to do like 100% 90 degrees turns, but it's okay to do it by hand as long as it's not touching or obstructing anything. These are copper nickel brake lines, and they're perfectly fine to use. I've heard of some guys failing the safety on some cars because of the copper nickel lines. There's no issue with copper nickel. They are perfectly fine and easy to work with compared to steel lines. So now after I'm all done, I'm just gonna wash down the shoes on both sides and then put on the new drums, lubricate the hub and everything. I'm going to get somebody to help me to bleed the brakes, and then we're gonna do the adjustment.